What are you doing? Caleb! Caleb! What are you doing? What were you doing? What were you doing? Huh? Your head's all red. Let me see your head. Wow. Look at your head. Why were you doing that?
No.
What were you doing? What were you doing? Raleigh! What are you doing? So the new way to bust the little packing bubbles is not with fingers, it's with our heads, slamming it into the floor. Very interesting. You're gonna hurt your head, Caleb. Oh, guys. Raleigh! Quit! Guys, stop! Oh. You're crazy. Oh, Caleb. Okay, no more popping bubbles with our heads. Does your head hurt?
Look at my head. It's raining.
Yeah, slightly.
My cousin.
Oh my goodness.